Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Instagram. Open the app or Instagram. And sign into the account you'll inspect. Once done, make sure the app is updated so menu labels match what I describe, because older versions hide some options. Now tap your profile avatar at bottom right, and then the three-line menu at top right. This is where history-related controls live. You'll need to access settings next. Tap Settings and Privacy to reach the activity and data options, where viewing from Settings and Privacy, scroll to your activity and open recent searches or the media you've seen section. This collects reels and videos you interacted with. Once there, use available filters to narrow results by date, account, or type of media. Filters make it faster to find a specific video. If you prefer a deeper record, request account data or a data download from Privacy. Because Instagram's download contains viewing logs and timestamps you can search on a computer. Make sure to finish, review the list and save any URLs, screenshots, or notes for videos you need to revisit, since watch history can be incomplete or pruned. If you don't see expected items, double-check that you're on the correct account and that the app is updated. Log out and back in to force a sync. As a last resort, request a data download from Privacy. Instagram may take 48 to 72 hours to prepare it, and that file often contains the most complete viewing records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.